Hello, this is the tutorial for Maria Dance Challenge, and the song is by Justin Bieber. So let's start. I am going to sing by myself because of copyright. Right hand, right leg, left leg.
I'm talking to you, Maria. Why you wanna do me like that?
One, two. You have to wave your upper body, and hands will knock. Right hand, left hand. You have to make fist. Knock 2 times, then point out. Right, left, right, left. Then come. Right, left, come. Yes, so your right leg will go backward like this. One more time. I'm talking to you. Yeah. So when we end here, your right leg will come forward and you're gonna throw your hands upward. Yeah, Maria. Yeah, yeah. Next, left leg's toe and right leg's heel. Move to your right side, then jump and slide to the right side. Okay, focus on this, the movement. Jump then slide. When you stop here, jump and change your foot. Now slide it to the left, like this. See from this angle. Slide. Upper body, hands will go from top to bottom, chest level to the waist. The next step is from your right hand. Make semicircle with your right hand, left hand in front of your chest. Come one step forward, bending your left knees. Then pull your hand to the chest. One step back from right leg. From here, you will take a big step with placing your right hand in front of your mouth. Get back. Both hands go down. With big steps, first right, then left. The last step. Right heel, left heel, back to the position, big hug. Now let's do it all together from the very beginning to the end. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8.
I'm talking to you, Maria. Why you wanna do me like that? Maria.
I hope you understood the choreography. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section, and thanks for watching.